Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, doing another video today, and yes, today's video is just the initial setup on my Galaxy S9 Plus. I just want to show y'all how easy it is. Let's see if the fingerprint scanner works better in the spot it is now. Maybe do face recognition also to see if we can't get that set up. But before I do any of that, check this out. Okay everyone, so in this video I just want to do a really quick initial setup of the Galaxy S9 Plus, and then like I said, stay tuned to the channel. I'm gonna have more coverage on the phone, but I just want to give y'all exactly how it looks to set it up. Let's move that out the way. So you get the start screen. I'm gonna start it up. I'm not going to put a SIM card in there yet. Alright, so let me put my passcode in. Alright, so I have my passcode in there. I'm gonna accept all the terms and conditions. Alright, so let me put this in here. Alright, so it asks you to back it up. I'm gonna do backup because I do have a lot of apps. Then it asks you time. So here you go. You can protect your phone, prevent others. So you have different ways you can do it. I'm gonna try the fingerprint scanner first. So to use your fingerprint to unlock your phone to verify yourself in apps, bam, you need at least one finger. I'm gonna do a pattern. I think I'm gonna change up my pattern, but you know. Alright, so register your finger by swiping. Swipe your fingertip down over the fingerprint sensor so you can scan your entire fingerprint. Okay, so let me wipe off this fingerprint, because I know they always, let's see. Not bad. So I swiped it down. Let's see if we can add another finger. I'm gonna see if I can do the same finger twice. Yes, it lets you do it. And all I'm doing is swiping it down. Hit continue, try it out. Bam, it says your finger. So you can notifications on here. You can set that up however you want to. Once the phone started, I'm gonna try to do the face recognition also. I'm gonna skip Google. You can do all the Samsung. Look, this is a great. They give you options of using apps that, you know, if you don't want the gear. I don't need the gear. I don't have a Samsung Gear. I don't care about the calculator. So it gives you choices. That's pretty cool. Instead of just downloading it on your phone. Alright, so you can sign into your Samsung account. Let me do that too. I don't even remember if I have a Samsung account. Alright, so it tells you if you want to restore it. I'm going to go ahead and restore it. Don't forget, you can set up your phone, and here's my T-Mobile. Your phone is ready to use. Don't that look amazing? Nah, I'm just kidding. It looks like their normal skin, so you can set it up the way you want to. You can copy your content from other devices. So let's go into the settings really quick. I want to do more unlock. Let's see if I can do face recognition. So you can read that too. Hold your phone. I'm gonna try to get this on camera. Okay. Faster recognition, improves speed, but reduces security. I'm gonna turn that off. So let's see. Let's power this off. Not too bad. Once I got it out the camera, let's try that again. Not too bad. I think the camera's getting in the way. So one thing else too, I want to just show y'all settings. Let's go over storage really quick. So bam, it tells you up there, available storage 50.2 gigs. It's using 13 gigs already straight out the box. And yes, it does have some bloatware from T-Mobile. But this just been a quick walkthrough of the initial setup. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'm going to have more coverage on the phone. I do have some cases to review, screen protectors. All that's coming towards y'all today or in upcoming weeks. But also, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And then just in my unboxing, I'm going to use these AR emojis. I just want to let y'all know my first impressions. The AR emojis are okay so far, but the lips don't always match my voice. But overall, the device has been pretty good so far. Stay tuned to the channel. I will have more coverage. I'm going to do some 4K videos. I'm going to do some gaming videos. Also, I'm going to do a speaker test coming up. But just definitely stay tuned. This was just my initial setup and first impressions video. If y'all like these AR emoji part of the video, let me know in the comments below. Like I said earlier, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now. Bye.